Guys, nandito ako ngayon sa bilian ng mga so 100 count. It's a plato. Bibili ako nito. Pink, yeah, black, and they have white. If you want gold, yeah, gold. Yeah, this is nice color, blue. This nice color. Do you have bigger than this? Big size? See?
Oh, you decide the small size.
Oh, I want big. Sila mga pan dito. Mura-mura lang yung pan nila. Yan o. This one. Meron silang aluminum foil cup. Naka-cup na. May 99. Tapos meron silang mga bowl dito. Iba-ibang klaseng bowl. Tapos ito, mga disposable na lalagyan ng dessert. Ayan guys. Mga ayan o. Meron silang mga small cups, shot cups. $2.79. This one, wine glass, $8.99. They have different kind. They have green, blue, pink, white, black. And they also have this color. They have small one, the skinny one, and they also have this kind of cup, glass, goblets. They have white, clear, black. They have different kind of glass here. Oh, how cute, no? They have a pink bowl, pink plate. Magaganda dito, guys. Ang mga price nila. They also have a napkin. Different napkin. Mga base. Mga beddings. Mga tray. They have trays here. I'm looking for the other silver one. Silver tray. Cups. Napkin. Paper plate. Ziploc. Table cover. Disposable table cover. And this is cute. Oh. Mga spoon dito. This one is a juice bottle. They have different size. Meron din sila mga serving spoon. Mga pong. Ano, iba-ibang klaseng serving spoon. Soup spoon. Blue. Pink sa taas. Pink and gold. And they have a black one. Black. Ang cute, no? Mura-mura lang dito eh. Fancy. $6. Ito yung fancy. Yun doon, 99 cents. Ganda. Ang dami magaganda dito, guys. Ito yung mga tray, oh. Special tray. Lagyan ng mga kanik-kanik. Mga peanut. Mga small bowl. Ayan. This one, I wanna buy this too. Square bowl. I want to buy one of these cups. I think the green one. I want green. I want green color. Or pink. This one. Purple and this cups. And cute. They have green also. They have pink, blue, white, and black. We have a matching spoon here. The matching spoon with the green color or pink. Which one is better? They also have white. White. I think I'm gonna get the green one. They also have white here. Guys, tignan nyo itong nabili ko sa store. Look at this. 16-ounce juice bottles. Ayan. 7 count. Ayan, meron siyang lids. Cover. Guys, ito, ang skinny lang niya, guys. Kasi sa bag nyo or sa pocket ng jacket. So, I use this when I make smoothie or juice. Fresh juice. I use this. I pour the juice inside of this bottle. Look, ang mura lang nabili ko, guys. And also, I have here with the wine glasses, plastic cups. Ayan, ang cute niya, guys. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Ang cute ng wine glasses na to. Square. And then, I also have a round one. Look. Merong round. The same lang siya, guys. The same. Oh, wine glasses. Ang cute with gold trim. Ang cute niya. And also, I have a spoon here with matching spoon. 40 counts. 8 pieces each. Meron siyang 8 dinner porks, 8 salad porks, 8 knives, 8 soup spoon, 8 teaspoon, 40 count ang total niya. And also, I have this little bowl. This is a square with a gold trim, guys. Ang cute niya, oh. At meron din akong round. Ito round naman siya. With gold trim also. They're all matching, guys. And then I have this floral with gold design. Look, accent. Look. Ang ganda niya, no? Floral. Antique floral with gold design. Yan, no? Meron siyang gold trim also. Thank you for watching.